So today I want to talk about another online bank, and this is the Radius Online Bank. Now, previously I've covered a lot of online banks and I've talked about their pros and cons and why I dislike some and why I like others. But as always, I use only two online banks, which are SOFI and Discover. And Discover doesn't have a referral program, so I never share any links. And SOFI does. However, I leave that link below in my description. And if you want to sign up for SOFI, you can, and you can get some free cash. But for all other online banks that I've talked about here on this channel, even when I like them, like the Chime Online Bank, for example, I never sign up for the accounts and then review them and then tell you that it's good and then tell you to use my link down below so I can get some cash. This way, you know that I'm never biased and my review is just me comparing the features to other online banks without getting anything from the video. And also, I've never been sponsored by any of these banks. I wish they would sponsor my videos, but this is a 100% unbiased review. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about Radius Bank, the features, the pros, and cons, and also I'll compare it to other online banks that I know about, and then this should help you guys into understanding if this is actually something that you should get this year. So be sure to stick around to the very end of this video if you want to learn more about the Radius Online Bank. If you're new to the channel and you're watching one of my videos for the very first time, my name is Ian, and I post videos here on YouTube every single day on topics relating to making money and personal finance. So if you'd like to see more of these videos, give this video a thumbs up. I'll really appreciate it. It helps the channel out a ton. And also consider subscribing to this channel and turning on all the notifications. And that way you'll be able to get the updates every single day when I post a new video here. Now, the Radius Online Bank has three main account types. They have the rewards checking, they have the tailored checking, which is for business, and they have the high yield savings account. Now, to open an account here, you need a minimum deposit of $100, and there are no monthly fees, which is very good because I don't like fees. So that's the first thing that I liked about this online bank. Now, although you need $100 to open the account, once you've actually opened the account, you no longer have to have a minimum balance in that account. So you can use all the money in your account because there isn't a minimum required balance. The rewards checking earns you up to 0.15% in interest on your money, which is okay because it's better than nothing, but SOFI offers you more and Discover also offers you even more. The upside to this is that the account and the debit card that you'll receive gives you cash back. You'll get 1% cash back on anything you spend on, and there is no limit to this. This is like my Discover checking account and debit card where I get 1% cash back from my debit card all the time with no limits. Another interestingly good feature here is that ATM fees are reversed or reimbursed, which again is the main reason or one of the main reasons why I got the SOFI Money account. See, I use Discover because of the cashback that I could get from a debit card, but I never really used my Discover debit card to get cash at the ATM. For that, I use SOFI, and I would have previously used Chase account or my Chase checking account because the ATMs are everywhere and it's free, but SOFI reverses the ATM fees, and they do this even when you travel overseas. So SOFI was a very good account, and having both SOFI and Discover was the perfect duo in my opinion. However, ever since coming across this account, I must say that I like the features because now I have everything I want from my Discover account and my SOFI account in one place, and I'm actually really considering getting this account for myself. Now, the high yield savings account that they offer also comes with no fees, and it will earn you a 0.25 or up to 0.25% in interest right now. Now, this is okay, and I think it's on par with the competition, but SOFI offers the same amount in their hybrid account, and if you go over to Discover, they actually offer double as they currently offer 0.50%. So everything so far is very good except the interest, which is lower than the competition, but for all the features in one place, I don't think that should really be a deal breaker. I should mention though that they offer up to 0.25%, and this interest is paid in tiers, and 0.25% is actually at the top tier if you have a balance of over $25,000. If you have $2,500 to $24,999, then that will be reduced to 0.15%. And if you have less than $2,500, you'll only get 0.05%. If your account has less than $10, you'll get nothing. Also, previously I mentioned getting 1% cash back on all purchases you made with the debit card, but there's one slight catch here, and that is that the transactions must be signature transactions, or simply put, you need to run the card as a credit card instead of debit when you use it. The debit card is on the MoneyPass network and they have thousands of ATMs nationwide. But again, if there isn't one where you are, it's still not a big issue because they will reverse all ATM fees with no limits, and they'll even do this if you travel outside of the US and you use this debit card. Now, Radius Online Bank also offers CDs, but after reviewing the CD rates, I found them to be the exact same rates that I currently got at my Discover Savings account. And so for that reason, I wouldn't tie my money up in a CD for the same interest rate that I get in a savings account. Now, there are some more features here that makes this bank one of the best to get right now. And the next feature is that you can go to an ATM and actually deposit cash into your account. Most online banks don't have this feature. Any ATM that is in the NYCE network will allow you to use your debit card from Radius Bank and deposit cash into your account. I really like this because if you're self-employed, or if you have some side gigs rather, or hustles going on, then you wouldn't be able to do this with other online banks that you liked before. Another great feature here is the Get Paid Early feature, and I didn't like the current debit card before, and now after coming across this account from Radius Bank, current is, in my opinion, not even worth looking into. You get everything you could possibly want here, but unlike the current debit card account where you get hammered by fees, you pay no fees here and you get more features for free. So you can get paid up to 2 days early with Radius, meaning that if your normal payday falls on a Friday, then you can actually get paid on a Wednesday now. Now, I'm not really a fan of this feature because I've said this over and over again. This feature isn't really a benefit because if you get paid 2 days early this week, then next week, even though you get paid on a Wednesday, it won't be 2 days early anymore because Wednesday to Wednesday is still 7 days apart. So all you're really doing is changing your payday from a Friday to a Wednesday. But if you like this feature and you want it, then Radius has it and it won't cost you anything. Now, as with SOFI and Discover and many other good online banks, you also get paper checks here for free. So you can actually, or if you actually need to use checks, you'll have some tucked away for when you need to use them. The only fee I can think of to mention here is the overdraft fee, which some banks don't have, like Discover, for example. They don't charge an overdraft fee, which is good. But here you will pay an overdraft fee. And if you overdraft your account, the fee is very steep. After 5 days, instead of paying a flat overdraft fee, you'll be charged $5 per day for overdrafts. And this shouldn't be a big deal because you shouldn't be overdrafting your account in the first place. Now, another important feature that I want to mention here is that your money is insured up to $250,000 and you do get FDIC insurance. However, some other online banks like Chime and SOFI offer you much more in protection because they spread your money across several partner banks to increase the amount of protection or FDIC insurance that you can get. But if you never expect to keep $250,000 or more in your checking account, then this won't even be an issue. Now, this bank also has real customer support by chat, email, and phone, so you can actually call on the phone and talk to a real human, unlike some other banks that don't even have a phone line for you to call. You also have an app and you can use the app to manage your accounts, block and unblock your debit card, restrict your debit card to certain locations, and you can also snap a photo and upload checks or deposit checks to your account by using your smartphone and the mobile app. Finally, if you use this bank and you like it, and I think you will because I'm seriously considering signing up for an account here, you can also share a link with a friend and family members, and each person to sign up and get an account will earn you $50 in cash. So if you're into referral programs, you can actually get paid to refer people to this bank. Now, I don't have any of these links because I don't currently use it, but I think I will be signing up for this account very soon. And Radius also has business accounts as well as credit cards. And I think I'll leave that part of it for another video because I still think that Chase is best for business accounts and credit cards, but I'll review the features some more and then I'll decide, and I'll probably make a video about that later on. So this account doesn't have a lot of cons. The only con I can think of is the overdraft fees, and you shouldn't be overdrafting your account, and also the interest, which is on the lower side when compared with other online banks and savings accounts. But I like the fact that all the features I want are in this account, and you could use this account for everything. You get cash back with the debit card. You can deposit cash into your account at ATMs. You get ATM fees reversed overseas or even overseas, and the account comes with no fees. I hope SOFI and Discover will realize this and catch up soon with the ATM cash deposits, and that way they'll be up to speed with the competition that's now here. I hope this video helps you if you were looking for an online account that offers it all, and comment below and tell me what you really think about this account. After hearing about all the features, pros and cons, would you sign up for this account or would you not? Comment below and let me know. As always, thanks for watching. I hope this video helps you out. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up as it really helps the channel. I'll really appreciate it. Subscribe and hit the notification icon so you can get the updates every day when I post a new video here. And I'll see you guys tomorrow.